We're here at the Aquasport plant. We got so many new exciting things going on. We're investing in new models and new molds. You're designing the 24, you're designing the 28, the 26. We are taking this place to the next level. What's happening, man? Are you guys pulling this right now? Yeah. This is the top part of a boat, otherwise known as a deck, and it's upside down, obviously. So this is always exciting when you're pulling a deck. All the work behind really kind of like presents itself. You don't see any heat on there. That's a really nice part. Good job, man. How you guys doing? What's happening? I know you're working, man. I just came to say hi. Look how he's wetting this. He's wetting it out with what's called a chop gun. That chop gun has resin and MEK coming out of it, which is a hardener. And so he'll wet out the fiberglass and then he'll hand lay it, and you don't want any air pockets underneath the fiberglass. You want to get rid of all air. So do you feel like there's one energy when you get here?
Oh yeah, oh there's no doubt. There's no doubt I lose momentum if I'm not here. We're constantly coming through and checking for any type of defect in the process as we go. So is this the one they just pulled apart? And basically reviewed every single aspect of the build from the moment the gel's sprayed on the mold to the moment the boat's washed and out the door. There's a rigorous QC process that goes into every build here at Aquasport. As of today, we put 21 MC104 in the mold, which is they're sprayed. That's it, skins. You got 2 boats leaving the line this week. You got 2 boats right there completing for next week to go into QC. You got 2 boats decking this week.
So you got a little line going on.
Yes.
Looking good. Look at you put the knee locker up.
I did. So when Twin B came along and purchased Aquasport, all of the laminate schedules were cut by hand on these tables, and we saw some improvement needed there. So we purchased this new piece of equipment over here, which is a material cutter.
How do you like your new machine?
I like it.
Yeah? Nothing but the best for you.
When you come next time, this will all be the full CNC department. That's why I put those curtains up, so Jessica can come in.
Good. Hey, how are you, man? Joseph.
John,
Hey, John, nice to see you.
Some of these folks out here, their father worked in here, or their grandfather worked in here before them.
That's a great American story. That's what this is all about. Like,
yeah, and this is one of the few things left in America that, you know, can say is built by American hands.
Right here, made in America with pride. Nothing better. It just shows you, like, when you've got great leadership, that you're able to bring a team of people together, anything's possible. Like, anything's possible.